Welcome back. Generation Next for Goa, a NGO, launched anti-corruption helpline to work towards solving problem of the citizens who are the victims of corruption in the government offices. Congress Secretary Durgadas Kamath is heading the NGO. He has appealed to citizens of state to fearlessly approach the helpline.
जेन्ना आमकां कंप्लेंट येतली, we will try to solve the problem of corruption of the concerned individual. So आमी गोंयचे जनते कडेन मागता की जर तर तुमकां कसलेच अडचणी आयल्यो, खंयचेच ऑफिसर तुमचे जर पेपर सारके आसात, कागदपत्रां सारकी आसात आनी तुमकां जर कसलेच अडचण्यो आयल्यो करप्शनाच्या बाबतींत गव्हर्मेंट ऑफिसांनी, जाल्यार फक्त आमकां ह्या नंबराचेर 7755902222 हाजेर एक कॉल करचे. जनरेशन नेक्स्ट फॉर गोवा will reach out to your help.
Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
Researchers from Goa University have demanded recognition for them. They say they are working for country and country should respect them. The students want hike in stipend and no disparity in fellowship. The students staged a dharna in university campus on Monday.
Zindabad, Zindabad. Student unity, Zindabad, Zindabad, Zindabad.
We just want a hike in a fellowship. We want recognition for the researchers. The researchers are not just dying over here for their sake. They are working for the country. The country should respect them. They should be given the amount that they deserve first of all. Second thing is, what we want is, we want a timely stipends. As stipends come like 6 to 12 months, after 6 to 12 months. Till these 12 months, what are we doing? We're just waiting for stipend. We can't concentrate on our studies. We can't concentrate on the research. We can't work, we can't think, we can't do anything. And we have nowhere to go to. The authorities are like, fellowship wahan se aayegi, tab aayegi, jab aayegi, we will provide you. All the authorities like UGC, CSIR, all of them should have the same amount of fellowships. ये नहीं है कि एक 16,000 दे रही है, एक 18,000 दे रही है, 20,000 दे रही है. There should be no disparity at all.
युरोपान वचून रिसर्च करिना, आमी हांगा रिसर्च करता कित्या खातीर? The research in India is public funded. The research in India सरकार पैसो दिता. कित्या खातीर आमी रिसर्च करता? कित्याक doing research is equivalent to the process of nation building.
Incidentally, in this year's budget, Finance Minister Arun Jaitley has announced Rs 150 crore for research and development under a scheme called Atal Innovation Mission. However, Jaitley's lofty promise hasn't brought cheer to researchers in India and even Goa, who have been struggling with mere allowances for years now. Nawaz Sheikh for Prudent.
And with this, we come to an end of this news bulletin. Keep watching Prudent. Goodbye.
तुम्ही पळयतात प्रुडंट. You're watching Prudent.